What is a full-stack developer? A full-stack developer is a professional who can handle both the front-end, client-side, and back-end, server-side, of a web application. This means they can design the user interface that people interact with in their browser, and also build the server, application logic, and database that power the website from behind the scenes. They are highly sought after because they can oversee and contribute to the entire development process of a web application from start to finish. Frontend Foundation. HTML. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, is the fundamental building block of the web. It is used to create the basic structure and content of a web page, defining elements like headings, paragraphs, images, and links. Every web application begins with HTML, as it provides the skeleton that all other technologies build upon. Frontend Foundation. CSS. CSS, Cascading Style Sheets, is used to style and lay out web pages. It controls the visual presentation, including colors, fonts, spacing, and responsive design that allows a website to look good on all device sizes, from desktops to mobile phones. While HTML provides the structure, CSS provides the paint and interior design. Frontend Foundation. JavaScript. JavaScript is a versatile programming language that adds interactivity and dynamic behavior to websites. It allows you to manipulate HTML and CSS, handle user events, like clicks and key presses, and update content without reloading the page. It is the core language of the frontend and is also widely used on the backend, making it essential for full-stack development.
Frontend Framework, React, Vue, Angular.
Frontend frameworks are tools that provide a structured and efficient way to build complex, modern, and dynamic user interfaces. Instead of manually updating the web page, these frameworks help you build reusable components and manage application states seamlessly. React, with its ecosystem, like Next.js, is currently the most popular, but Vue and Angular are also powerful enterprise-level choices. Backend development. Node.js. Node.js is a runtime environment that allows you to run JavaScript code on the server side, outside of a browser. This enables developers to use a single language, JavaScript, for both front-end and back-end development, streamlining the entire process and unifying the tech stack. Flexible and very popular framework for Node.js used to build REST APIs and handle server logic quickly. Nest.js is a more opinionated, TypeScript-based framework that provides a robust, scalable structure out of the box, ideal for larger, enterprise-level applications. Alternative backend. Python and Django. While JavaScript is dominant, Python is a powerful alternative for backend development. Django is a high-level Python framework that emphasizes rapid development, clean design, and security. It includes many built-in features, like an admin panel and ORM, making it an all-in-one solution for building robust backends, especially for data-heavy applications. Databases. Relational. SQL. Relational databases like MySQL and PostgreSQL store data in structured, table-like formats. They use SQL, structured query language, to define and manipulate data. They are excellent for complex queries and ensuring data integrity through relationships, and are a foundational skill for any back-end developer. PostgreSQL is often favored for its advanced features and standards compliance. Databases. NoSQL. NoSQL databases, like MongoDB, store data in flexible, JSON-like documents instead of tables. They are highly scalable and can handle large volumes of unstructured or rapidly changing data, making them a popular choice for modern web applications, real-time systems, and content management. Version control. Git and GitHub. Git is a distributed version control system that allows developers to track changes in their code, create different branches for new features, and revert to previous states if something goes wrong. GitHub is a cloud-based platform that hosts Git repositories, enabling collaboration, code review, and project management. It is an indispensable tool for professional software development. Deployment and cloud. AWS, Versal, Netlify. Once an application is built, it needs to be hosted on the internet. Cloud platforms like AWS, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, and Azure provide the infrastructure for this. For beginners, platforms like Versal for front-end frameworks and Netlify offer incredibly simple, click-to-deploy workflows, while AWS Amplify provides similar ease for full-stack apps, abstracting away complex server management. Becoming a full-stack developer requires learning a wide range of technologies, but the key is to start with the fundamentals: HTML, CSS, JS, and progress systematically to backend and deployment. Focus on mastering one skill at a time, build projects to apply your knowledge, and understand that this is a marathon of continuous learning, not a sprint. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you spending your time with me today. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future uploads. Your support truly means a lot. See you in the next one.